You're walking down the street, you notice a van, and you notice in the van somebody is videotaping you. Hi, I'm Greg Stokes, a personal injury lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia, and our topic today is surveillance videos. Yes, believe it or not, insurance companies are watching. If you have an injury case and you are claiming disabling injuries, you can better believe that Big Brother has sent out an investigator with a videotape camera to videotape you, to catch you doing things that you shouldn't be doing. Let me give you an example. We tried a case where a man was working in a machine shop and he got hit in the head with 250 pounds of steel. He had a hard hat on, he suffered a closed head injury, a traumatic brain injury, and he wasn't really the same. The defendant offered us nothing going into the trial. And they felt very, very comfortable and confident because my client, who was a mechanic that was disabled and could no longer work on locomotive engines for the railroad, they felt they had the proof that it wasn't a real case. They had surveillance video of him in his garage at home taking an engine out to rebuild it, an engine out of his car. And it showed that he had, with his brother, had taken the engine out and he had disassembled it. And it was on the floor of the garage. And that's when the surveillance video ended. But I cross-examined the investigator and I said, now you followed him. You didn't have his permission to videotape him. You videotaped the disassembly of the engine in the garage. But you haven't showed us everything, have you? And he said, what do you mean? I said, was he able to reassemble the engine, rebuild it, and put it back in his car? And he says, no, he wasn't. We were able to show that engine was still disassembled on the floor of this man's garage because he was so confused. He no longer had those mechanical abilities to rebuild the engine the way he used to. Never doubt that the insurance companies are watching you. Don't think they're paranoid. They play to win. And if you do believe that you're being watched, make sure that your attorney knows it. And then if we go to trial and they have a surveillance video that they haven't produced and they're claiming that they can surprise us, we'll be able to anticipate what's going on. My name is Greg Stokes. We have the answer to your questions. Call us at 1-800-700-5050. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.